Hypovolemia versus hypervolemia. What does it look like inside of the body? Let's get started. Just as a reminder, this printout is from the nursing school review section of my NCLEX program. Let's get started. Hypovolemia, cardiovascular. You're going to have a thready increased pulse rate, decreased blood pressure, orthostatic hypotension, where you get up too fast that you just fall over because your blood pressure can't be maintained. Also, you're going to have decreased peripheral pulses. Respiratory, you're going to have an increased rate and shortness of breath. Renal, you're going to have a decreased rate because you just have less volume. Also, your skin is going to have poor turgor. You're going to have dry mouth. GI, you're going to have decreased motility and diminished sounds, constipation. Now, blood volume findings, you're going to have increased hematocrit, increased serum osmolality, increased BUN, increased sodium levels, and increased specific gravity because it's going to be so concentrated. Now let's move on to hypervolemia, too much. Think of your blood vessels as pipes. Now think about a little bit of volume in the pipes, and now think about a lot of volume in the pipes. What is that going to look like? Starting with cardiovascular. You're going to have a bounding increased pulse rate, increased blood pressure because there's more pressure in the pipes, increased respiratory rate. You're going to have shallow respirations, shortness of breath, moist crackles on auscultation. I hate that word. Next, let's see, renal, you're going to have increased urine output if the kidneys cannot compensate and can cause damage to the kidneys. Now, skin, you're going to have pitting edema and pale, cool skin. Let's see, GI, you're going to have increased motility in the GI tract. So you're going to have some diarrhea. You're also going to have some increased body weight because of the volume, liver enlargement, and ascites. Now, what is your blood going to look like? You're going to have decreased hematocrit, decreased BUN, decreased sodium levels, and decreased urine-specific gravity because you're just all watered down. I hope this helps you. And if you want a copy of this, you can find it in my NCLEX program, or you can take a screenshot of it. I love you.